Say with me, carrot. Full of vitamin A, keep your eyes sharp and bright. Crunch it raw or cook it soft. It's always yummy and light. Potato. Say with me, potato. Gives lots of energy, a super starchy treat. Boiled, fried or mashed, potato are hard to beat. Tomato. Say with me, tomato. Juicy and red, great for a healthy heart. It's fruit and a veggie. That's the cool part. Cucumber. Say with me, cucumber. Cool and refreshing, keep your body hydrated. Crispy slice on your plate, it feels like a splashy gate. Spinach. Say with me, spinach. Packed with iron, make you strong like a superhero, just like Popeye. Eat your green to grow bold and brave. Broccoli. Say with me, broccoli. Teeny green trees full of vitamin and fiber. Munch the mini trees and feel the power inside you rise. Cauliflower. Say with me, cauliflower. White and crunchy, good for brain power. Steamed or rice, it's yummy brainy bite. Pumpkin. Say with me, pumpkin. Full of vitamin A and super for your skin. It's not just for Halloween, it's a golden veggie queen. Peas. Say with me, peas. Little green balls that boost your energy. Pop them one by one, peas parties are fun. Onion. Say with me, onion. Adds flavor and keeps you healthy inside. Sometimes it makes you cry, but it's super good. Oh my! Garlic. Say with me, garlic. Strong and teeny, fights germs like a ninja. It might be small, but it's brave and tall. Beetroot. Say with me, beetroot. Bright red color, great for your blood. It paints your tongue and keeps you pumped. Ladyfinger. Say with me, ladyfinger. Slim and green, good for brain and bones. It's sticky and fun, a veggie loved by everyone. Brinjal. Say with me, brinjal. Purple and shiny, good for your heart. Soft and spongy, it's royalty on your plate. Radish. Say with me, radish. Crunchy and spicy, helps your tummy. White or pink, it's faster than you think. Capsicum. Say with me, capsicum. Colorful and full of vitamin C. Red, yellow, green, it's make your plate a dream. Bottle gourd. Say with me, bottle gourd. Light and easy, cools your body. It's long and mild, perfect for a healthy smile. Bitter gourd. Say with me, bitter gourd. Bitter but brave, great for blood sugar. Its taste is bold, but its health power is gold. Turnip. Say with me, turnip. White and sweet, helps keep your bones strong. Round and cute, it's a crunchy root. Cabbage. Say with me, cabbage. Leafy and green, keeps your tummy happy. Twiddly lips that crunch just right. Cabbage is a delight. Sweet corn, say with me, sweet corn. Yellow and yummy, gives quick energy. Pop it, boil it, eat it hot. Sweet corn hits the spot. Mushroom, say with me, mushroom. Soft and tasty, boost immunity. Looks like an umbrella, soft and mellow. Zucchini, say with me, zucchini. Green and soft, help with digestion. Slice it thin or make a bag. Zucchini is great in every plate. Green beans, say with me, green beans. Long and crunchy, great for a strong muscle. Snap, snap. They are fun to eat and clap. Chili, say with me, chili. Hot and spicy, adds a kick to your food. A teeny flame with a jippy name. Coriander, say with me, coriander. Fresh and fragrant, good for skin and health. Sprinkle it green, add magic to the scene. Mint, say with me, mint. Cool and green, helps you feel fresh. A cool breeze in a leaf, mint brings relief. Drumstick, say with me, drumstick. Long and strong, full of calcium. Dip it in curry, don't be in a hurry. Raw banana, say with me, raw banana. High in fiber, great for your stomach. It's banana but not sweet. Cook it for a savory treat. Spring onion, say with me, spring onion. Mild and tasty, supports healthy digestion. It's an onion with a leafy top. Add flavor with a hop. Apple, say with me, apple. Red and round, it falls from the tree with a yummy sound. Full of fiber, keeps your tummy happy and strong. Banana, say with me, banana. A yellow smile you can peel and eat. Full of energy, gives instant power from potassium and vitamins. Mango, say with me, mango. The king of fruits, juicy, sweet like summer street. Rich in vitamins E, keep your eyes shiny and bright. Orange, say with me, orange. A ball of juice that wears a bumpy coat. Packed with vitamin C, fights colds and keeps you smiling. Grapes, say with me, grapes. Teeny balls that come in bunches and taste like candy. Full of antioxidants, keep your body strong and safe. Watermelon, say with me, watermelon. A big green ball with red inside and seeds that hide. Full of water, keeps you cool and fresh all day. Papaya, say with me, papaya. Soft and orange with magic seeds inside. Good for digestion, help your tummy work like magic. Pineapple, say with me, pineapple. Spiky outside, sweet party inside. Loaded with vitamin C, make your skin glow and heals fast. Guava, say with me, guava. Crunchy, yummy, green and pink surprise. high in fiber and vitamin C. Double power for your body. Pear. Say with me, pear. A chubby fruit that's juicy and fair. Gentle on the tummy, full of sweet hydration. Strawberry. Say with me, strawberry. A red heart with teeny seeds and a leafy hat. Full of vitamin C, keeps your cheek rosy and bright. Blueberry. Say with me, blueberry. Teeny blue balls full of sweet juice. Packed with antioxidant and brain boosting bite. Cherry. Say with me, cherry. Red and round with a teeny tail. Full of vitamins. Help your heart stay happy. Lychee. Say with me, lychee. A spiky cell outside, sweet jelly inside. Full of vitamin C, keeps your body cool and strong. Kiwi. Say with me, kiwi. Fudgy on the outside, green star on the inside. Rich in vitamin C, boost your immunity like a hero. Pomegranate. Say with me, pomegranate. A red treasure chest full of ruby seeds, full of iron, help make your blood strong and fast. Custard apple. Say with me, custard apple. It looks like a green pine cone and tastes like cream. High in energy, soft and sweet like a dessert dream. Plum. Say with me, plum. Soft and round, sweet like a little jink. Good for digestion, keeps your tummy happy and light. Peach. Say with me, peach. A soft and fudgy fruit that's so sweet. Full of vitamins and water. Keeps your skin soft and neat. Apricot. Say with me, apricot. Teeny golden fruit like a sunshine bite. Full of vitamin A, help you see in the dark just right. Jackfruit. Say with me, jackfruit. Big and spiky, full of golden hugs inside. Full of fiber and energy, help you grow big and strong. Fig. Say with me, fig. A soft pocket filled with teeny crunchy seeds. High in calcium, help your bone stay strong. Raspberry. Say with me, raspberry. A red jungle of teeny juicy ball. Packed with fiber, great for a happy tummy. Mulberry. Say with me, mulberry. Long and purple like nature's candy stick. Rich in iron, gives you strength and sparkle. Coconut. Say with me, coconut. Hard shell outside, soft white inside. Full of good fats, give you natural energy and shine. Avocado. Say with me, avocado. Creamy green fruit with a big brown belly bottom. Full of healthy fats, keep your brain smart and heart happy. Dragon fruit. Say with me, dragon fruit. A pink dragon with a white magic inside. High in fiber, good for your tummy and full of fun. Star fruit. Say with me, star fruit. A fruit that looks like a star when you slice it. Full of vitamin C, make your smile sparkle bright. Tamarind. Say with me, tamarind. Tangy and brown with a fun twisty shell. Helps with digestion, a tangy treat for the tummy. Gooseberry. Say with me, gooseberry. Small and green, it tickles your tongue. Super rich in vitamin C, make you strong like a superhero. Yay! You did it! Now you know 30 tasty fruits. Keep smiling, keep learning, and don't forget to eat your fruits every day. Bye bye, kids.